Hey guys, how's it going now? It's evident that ever since Microsoft changed the base of Edge to Chromium, it's been gaining a lot of popularity. In fact, it's now my go-to web browser and I use it instead of Google Chrome. Apart from being less hogging on resources, and Microsoft Edge is also apparently more secure. But did you guys know that the new Edge browser also comes with a super duper secure mode? Yes, that's actually what it sounds like. So what is this super duper secure mode and how do you enable it? That's what this video is all about. This is one from Sira Academy and let's get started. Okay, so first off let's talk about what this super duper secure mode really is. So while the feature is still in experimental stages, what it does is that it basically addresses the JavaScript vulnerabilities in the source code. So instead the browser will use other advanced security features like Windows Arbitrary CodeGuard Control Flow Guard and Intel's Control for Enforcement technology. In fact, the company's internal testing states that JIT, which is just-in-time related security issues, amounted to roughly 45 of all the processing vulnerabilities in the year 2019. On the other hand, the super duper mode triggers Intel's SET technology, which protects your PC against common malware. So in basic layman terms, Microsoft Edge will basically allow you to disable the security vulnerabilities inside JavaScript and as traditional security measures and use higher security measures to secure you against more vulnerabilities. Now, while it's still experimental, you can actually go out and enable it in your web browser. So how do you do that? Well, first of all, you need to be using an experimental channel of the Microsoft Edge. You know, it can be either of the beta channel, dev channel, or the canary channel, and you can download them from the links in the description box below. Once you've downloaded and installed them, head over to address bar and then type in this basically edge:/flags. This is to enable experimental flags inside the web browser. Now in the search bar enter super duper secure mode and then hit enter, then click on the drop down menu to change default to enabled. Finally click on the restart button at the bottom right corner and restart the browser to apply the changes. And that's it, you have successfully enabled super duper secure mode. Now, as Microsoft states that your browsing experience should remain more or less the same, but obviously this is an experimental feature, so you might experience hiccups here and there. If it's getting too much for you, you can easily disable the feature by just following the same steps and changing from enabled back to default. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome content. Also, we have other videos about the best tips and tricks and the best extensions for Microsoft Edge, and you can check both of T.